The rain poured heavily, soaking the vast grounds of the Whitmore estate and turning its perfectly trimmed lawns into patches of mud. The grand mansion stood tall, glowing softly against the dark sky, a symbol of wealth and privilege that few could ever reach. But just outside its gates, under an old oak tree, sat an elderly couple. Their clothes were drenched, their bodies trembling, and their strength nearly gone. They clung to each other as if that was the only thing keeping them alive. At that moment, Alexander Whitmore stepped out of his sleek car. He paused, stunned by what he saw. This was not something he expected to find. Beside the couple lay a worn-out suitcase half open. Inside were old photographs, faded letters, and memories of a life they once had. A life filled with hope, now washed away by hardship. Alexander felt something shift inside him. For years, he had built his empire with determination. But he had also learned to ignore the struggles of others. Yet now, suffering was right in front of him. Memories of his own past came rushing back. He remembered hunger, long nights, and the struggles his parents faced. And suddenly, he realized this could have been his family. Without hesitation, he rushed forward. Calling for help, he knelt beside the couple. The old man slowly opened his eyes, confused and weak, while the woman tightened her grip on his hand. Alexander quickly ordered his staff to bring blankets and warm drinks. Carefully, he helped them inside the mansion, supporting their fragile bodies with care. Inside, warmth surrounded them. Slowly, life returned to their tired faces. Their names were Henry and Martha. They had lost their home after falling behind on payments. With nowhere to go, they wandered in the rain. Their children, who once filled their lives with joy, were now lost to distance and time. As Alexander listened, he felt a deep ache in his heart. He thought about his own family. He realized how easily relationships can fade when neglected. Over the next few days, Alexander made sure Henry and Martha were cared for. But something else was changing too. Alexander himself. He began spending time with them, listening to their stories, learning from their strength. Slowly, his hardened heart softened. He rediscovered something he had long forgotten: the true value of kindness and human connection. Eventually, when Henry and Martha regained their strength, Alexander gave them something they had lost: a home, a small, peaceful cottage not far from his mansion. As he handed them the keys, Martha's hands trembled with emotion. Henry placed a grateful hand on Alexander's shoulder, his eyes filled with tears. For the first time in years, Alexander felt something money could never buy: peace. And as sunlight replaced the storm, he realized that true wealth isn't measured by what we have, but by what we give. Subscribe to K for Kindness for more powerful stories that remind us how one act of compassion can change everything.